friends and supporters of Coahoma Community College. My name is Val Towner. I'm privileged to serve as president of Coahoma Community College. It is an exciting time. Spring is in the air. We've just celebrated spring break and we are feverishly moving towards our Easter break. And we have a great activity planned just before Good Friday. On Thursday, we want all of the great chefs and the culinary experts in the Delta and beyond to come to the Higher Education Center in Clarksdale as we have a conclave, so to speak, of all the great chefs and cooks in our area, particularly men. We're calling on all church groups and all Greek fraternity and sororities to come, organizational groups, any type of civic groups to come. Not only come and share in culinary delights, but learn about Coahoma Community College. We feel and believe that we are a great community college, perhaps even the most comprehensive HBCU two-year community college. Did you not know that there are many things happening with Coahoma Community College? We have workforce offerings, we have academic offerings, career and technical education offerings, as well as health science offerings. You can learn about those offerings specifically on April the 14th. That's the Thursday before Good Friday, before the Easter weekend. Come learn about Coahoma Community College as well as fellowship. Have fun in a festive atmosphere because we all are just one big family at Coahoma Community College. I look forward to seeing you. We're calling again on all groups, men, you barbecue experts, you culinary experts, come on out. Register today. We look forward to seeing you and learning more about our school. Please know that not only will we share information about the college, not only will we have fun, not only will we fellowship with each other and enjoy great foods, we also will be able to help our Coahoma Community College Foundation. The foundation has a goal of helping students. Every cent raised, every cent donated to this cause will help benefit our students. I don't know if you know this or not, our students are very gifted, talented, and they're extremely magical. Help our foundation be in a position to continue helping our students as they matriculate towards their career and educational goals.